Not a peep out of you blokes now, mind you. I'm gonna rob that house. Blimey, a bloomin' copper's house. Oh.
Wait till I get my hands on that brute. I'll teach him to stay out all night gallivanting around. I'll show him who's boss in this house. The big lummox. That's the thanks I get for slaving over a hot stove all day.
What are you doing there? What are you doing with that safe? I know what you're doing. You're a burglar, and you're burgling that safe because burglars always burgle safes. Why do they? Why are you a burglar? It's against the law to be a burglar because burglars are crooks, and I'm going right upstairs and wake the lady bear and tell her you're a burglar, and she'll come right down here and beat your old burglar head in, and...
Shh. Here now. Hold your horses, Johnny. Don't you know who I am? I'm Robin Hood. You know, as robs rich blokes for the benefit of the poor. I am.
Gee, are you really Robin Hood? You don't look like Robin Hood, but I guess you must be Robin Hood if you say you're Robin Hood, because Robin Hood wouldn't tell a lie. Hello, Robin Hood. I'll help you rob the rich and give it to the poor, and I'll stand guard if anybody comes. I'll warn you, like this.
Stop it, you bloomin' little... Take it easy, sonny. You wouldn't want to rouse the household and have them arm Robin Hood, would you?
Oh, gee, no, Mr. Robin Hood. I wouldn't want them to harm you. I'll be as quiet as a church mouse. Church mouses are very quiet, aren't they, Mr. Robin Hood? Why are church mouses very quiet? Oh, why are they? Here's another safe. Why didn't you open this safe, Robbie? We want to get all the money we can from the rich to give to the poor. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll help you. I'll open this one myself.
That ought to hold you. Good night. Hold still, you little runt. If we wake the missus up now, we're a couple of dead ducks.
Hey, what are you trying to do? Why are you walking with your arms out like that for? The lady bears always walk with their arms out like that. Don't you try to hurt my friend Robin Hood, or I'll shoot an arrow into you from my bow and arrow. Why did you tie me up in all those ropes for? I had an awful time getting out from all those ropes. Robin Hood, why are you hanging out there by your ears for, huh? Do Robin Hoods always hang out there by their ears? Doesn't it hurt you to hang out there by your ears? It'd hurt my ears to be hung up by them. How can you rob the rich and give to the poor when you're hanging up out there? You better come back in.
Why, Henry, you shouldn't have. Just what I've always wanted. A genuine fox fur. Why, you old darling. And I thought... You precious old sweetie pie.
Why have you got that burglar around your neck, Mrs. Bear? That's a funny place to have a burglar. Aren't you going to hit Mr. Bear in the head for coming in at 3 o'clock?